Another fine vehicle offered by Steve's Hometown Toyota.
This is a 2002 Jeep Cherokee. Safety, space, and comfort. This Jeep has a long list of incredible features including power windows, cruise control, a CD player, driver and passenger multi-stage airbags, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 105,000 miles. The solid 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, inspires confidence. This crossover won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.